Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. Well, I'm pretty impressed actually by this device. It's the light version of Mi 8, but this doesn't feel light at all because it's pretty damn big compared to, for example, P20 or Huawei 20 Lite, something 20, I don't know the model now. You can see this is a light model. The difference is it's quite big, even compared it to my Galaxy S8. This is a Plus version. Look at them side by side. S8 Plus, this is the Plus version. I don't know how this is a light version, but it's pretty damn big. I like it. I like the design. It leaves a lot of fingerprints on the back, but overall I really like the design. I like how it feels in the hand. It's really slim. Look at this. Look at this. It's really damn slim. It doesn't have a headphone jack though, unfortunately. As you saw in the opening, it has a USB Type-C to headphone jack, which is not my favorite, but yeah, it's usable. And has a cover on the package as well, which yeah, this one, look at this. Even the cover, oh no? Yeah, even the cover leaves a lot of fingerprints. But at least you're not gonna damage the device. And I like this cover because it's silicone and it's slim as well. Compared to, for example, again, my Galaxy S8 Plus, you can see the case. It's actually a bit big, but yeah, it's a different case. It's not a silicone one. The device, it's actually pretty powerful. It comes with Android 8.1. Let's go on about phone. Android 8.1. MIUI version 9.6, 4GB of RAM, which is more than enough. Man, for a light version, imagine like back in a few years ago, top devices didn't have 4GB of RAM, and now light version of devices have 4GB of RAM. Damn. 64GB of internal storage. There is an update already, install automatically, no. Checking, and there is an update. I have already checked if there was an update, and there is an update available. It's still not Android 9.0, but we will get that. But so far I'm really impressed by this device. Damn, again, for a light device it doesn't really feel light. Let me take the cover. Camera, well, I will test the device in the next few weeks, and we'll have a more detailed test about the camera, about the display, battery as well, because battery is important. But so far I really like the UI. The UI is cool. It's snappy as well, but well, every device that you buy new, it's snappy. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Till the next one.